If the factory mirrors on your JK Wrangler have been worn out or damaged when you're out on the trail, then you're going to want to check out these exterior mirrors. They're sold in a pair and they're going to fit all 07 to 18 JK Wranglers. Now these mirrors are going to be constructed of the same OEM quality and specs that your factory mirrors came equipped with. We've all been out there on the trail where it's really tight, especially if you've got the full doors on, and sometimes they can break or just get sun damaged over the years. This is a great option to replace them. Now you don't have to buy them as a pair as well. You can buy left or right sides. And if your Jeep came equipped with a power option as well as the heated mirrors, those are also available here at CJ's. They simply bolt on, so we're gonna get them shown on the 2012 behind me, show you how they look. It'll give it a nice crisp black look with these brand new mirrors, and I'll get them installed, show you guys how to do it. Now to get these installed in your Jeep, it's a super simple process. This is probably the easiest upgrade you can do. It only takes the removal of 2 bolts, and if you go for the heated option, it's just 1 click inside the door. Now to do this, first thing you want to do is open up your door, and you're going to see 2 bolts right up towards the front. These are T40 Torx bolts. They go into the mirror, and that's what holds it on from the inside to the outside. As you can see, our mirrors are pretty dirty. They're beat up. They've been on here for 7 years. So this is a much needed upgrade. Give us a nice clear mirror again. So let's get these bolts removed. I'll install the new one, show you guys how it looks. So using our T40 Torx bit, we're gonna remove both of these bolts. Now once I feel that they're starting to come out and almost to the end, I'm gonna actually hold the mirror on the outside, that way it doesn't fall. Because although we're replacing it, we don't wanna beat it up in case we need it down the road. So get these pulled out. So you will be reusing this hardware, so make sure you hold on to it. Those off, the mirror will pull right out, and we can install the new one. Now to get your brand new mirror installed, what you're gonna do is work it from the outside in. So we're gonna slide it through those 2 exact holes that we just pulled it out of, grab the factory hardware, and then insert it from the inside. And just get it started, that way it holds. Then the last step is to use our T40 Torx bit, get it tightened down. It's actually really nice that this uses the factory hardware. That way you don't have to source anything or use anything aftermarket. Get the bottom one snugged up. You don't have to go crazy on these. Just get them nice and snugged up. That'll be it. All right guys, so we've got the driver's side mirror installed. It was a super simple installation as you just saw. All you gotta do is remove 2 factory bolts, insert your brand new mirror, and then get the 2 bolts re-tightened down. All you need is a T40 Torx bit and about 5 minutes of your time, and you can do both sides and get your Jeep looking nice on the outside with a crisp black rear view mirror. This looks great. It's a great way to replace a damaged mirror or just freshen up the outside of your Jeep. And you can find these as well as those powered and heated ones right here at cjponyparts.com.